Okay, we are going to verify. What you do is your page looks like this when you get to Kick. Now, your page looks like this on PC. On the mobile, you can do the same thing though. You want to navigate up to the top right here where you see my little arrow circling all the way in the corner. You're going to see your little avatar. It may be green or it may be colored if you've put something there. You're going to click on the avatar. Well, a little drop down is going to pop up and it's going to say channel, creator dashboard, and then subscriptions. When you get to subscriptions, you want to click here. It's going to pop open and show you this, your subscription board. Now, it tells you the streamer name here, which I don't care who else you're subscribed to. I only care about TeiganFoxxe and PromoFoxxe if you have them. It will show up in this thing. It will say if it's gifted or if you subbed yourself. I don't care. That just tells you provider that they use. If you are gifted, it tells you the date gifted. It tells you when your sub expires here. And it tells you if you've canceled any subs or if it's active, okay? If your sub to me is active or canceled. This is the sub proof. You take a screenshot of this and this is what you upload into the DM. Okay, so here on your subscription page, once you're going to be at the subscription page, you're going to be able to, at the top, after obviously you can see if you're sub to me, you can actually click on payment history. In the payment history, there will be a drop down of all the months that you were subscribed to me. So now you're able to hop back in the payment history and be able to redeem for all your previous months subscribed because they show up right here and you are able to send these to me in a screenshot.